Welcome tech lovers, Ibrar here. Today I am going to cover Docker image basic understanding. This is the part 16 of Docker 0 to Hero series. This is the most important part to understand Docker images, so watch video till the end. DevOps In Action channel is more focused on DevOps in easy way. You always found complexity and simplicity here. Each video guide is available in video's description. Here will be only action as channel name is DevOps In Action. So let's jump to the live without any delay. On my channel, click on the link here and open GitHub link. On the repository Docker 0 to Hero series, just open day 16. Here understand what is Docker image, right? So Docker image is a lightweight, standalone and executable software package that includes everything needed to run package of software. So what include this? In image include code, runtime, libraries, environment variable and configuration files. So mostly we added all the things which required, right? Required to run app. In simple terms, Docker image are a template used to create Docker container. So what it is a template and it is used to create Docker containers, right? When you use an image, Docker launches container which are running instance of those images. Here you can see simple Docker images vs container. So images is template and contains application code, dependencies and config. And what is container? Container is running on the instance of an images. So basically it is stored in Docker Hub registry, you know very well. So here understand the things. This is the Docker image, right? Here we added, let's say code, we added code, we library we added, right? And some configuration, right? And once we run, then it will create a container from image, right? And container is created and again it is a read only layers. Top of this it will add a RW layers where it store data or changes. So here we used already volume. We explained this very well in my volume sections, right? So let's clean this. Okay, so let's understand Docker image and tag summary. So what is image? Image we already explained, the applications package which we make a image. We will see in the upcoming video how to make a Docker images, but as of now just understand the what is images. So images comes with the multiple tags. Here you can see there are multiple types of tags and I'm not going to explain because I already added everything in details. So here you can see base image. This tag means it's built on top of this image and this is the approx size. Size may vary, depends on the release, depends on the tools, right? And here most important thing you need to understand libc. You can understand this one in the below, I already added. And what is alpine? Let's say if you use node.js and tag as alpine. So alpine is smallest image, great for minimal environment. When you use bookworm, it is Debian 12 and latest Debian for ecosystem. When you use, let's say bullseye, this is Debian 11. So based on Debian, let's say if you are selecting like Debian : and here alpine, right? Then it will run very smallest images. When you run Debian and : bullseye, in that case you started with the Debian 11. When you again run the same thing but different tag like Buster, it means you started with the Debian 10. So you need to understand clearly these things, how it works. So give some times on this Docker image tag summary and understand which tags build on the top of which base OS and what is the approx size and what is the use case of it. This is simple thing. I'm not going to explain because there are a lot of things here, and during the explanation it will extend video length, right? So let's go on the top. Yeah, here I already told you that libc is explained. So here you can see the libc type. One type is the MUSL. This is lightweight but limited capabilities like Alpine and BusyBox. glibc is standard and widely supported, so you can use this one. Scratch has no libc, so we use it to create Docker containers from the scratch. And Windows use native Windows system libraries. We will see in the upcoming videos, no worries about that, what is this and how to use it. Okay, size estimate only will increase as app layer are added. We can see the layer as well, right? And there are some variant like Slim, Alpine, Scratch, already you see there, but here some explanation is here, right? Let me clean screen and scroll down. Choosing the right Node.js image. So let's go on the top and open Docker Hub. Open the Node.js, right? So I'm going to use Node, and on the tag you can find out all those tags. Here also you can see supported tags and respective Docker file links. All the tags you can see here: 20 bullseye, 20 alpine, and 20 bullseye slim. So it is basically bullseye and slim also. So you can see here in the image you can see current bullseye slim. You can see multiple types of tags and you need to understand how it's happened, right? Let's say I'm going to pull node and tag is latest. So the top one is the, I think, latest must be there. Current alpine, alpine, alpine. Where is the latest? Yeah, here. You can see here latest size is 389 MB, where slim has 77.3. So what is the difference between 77 and 389? So slim versus latest. So let's see here. This is the alpine, smallest image, great for minimal environment. This is the alpine, and where is the latest? Yeah, here. Pull latest stable version of Node.js. It's have complete image, right? Here it's showing the size 5 to 10 MB approx. This is not correct because it's vary from based on the images. Let's say right now we are looking for the Node.js. Maybe you can see Ubuntu, maybe you can see Postgres, maybe you can see Redis. There are a lot of things available there, so don't worry about that. This is the just approx size, but here you can understand what is the size differences. Here you can see latest already written as varies, right? So latest stable Node.js release with the full feature set, right? And current tag, slim tag, all the things is explained. You can open these links to understand the all images. Let's say Ubuntu. Here you can see multiple tags. On Debian, see multiple tags. I request you to understand these things because it's required in production. It's required to understand basic images, tags, how you tag it, right? I will cover tag, that is the different options, but not this one in the upcoming video. So this is required, you cannot ignore it, right? And one more thing here I want to just summarize here. Let's see images. So this is the images, right? And I want to extract it and run as a container. So let's see in the action the same thing, right? Okay, let me open the terminal. Okay, here you can see I have some images. Okay, so let's see, I want to take the images of Nginx. Here you can see the things, there is some layers. This is the metadata. The layer 1 is this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. There is total 7 layers. I want to create images from these layers, right? So let's see these images layers as well as in different format. Simple, use the docker inspect, again the Nginx latest, and format is JSON, and I want to see the layers. Again you can see the layers, how much layer is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So total 7 layer is there, right? So let's see in action. I want to create a docker container like docker run itd dash name equal to like Nginx and Nginx latest. So my container is running, right? Now I want to see the layers of it. So how we can see, let me tell you. Basically this is the extracted format of images, but again here is the some twist. This is not exactly extracted as the same layer as shown you there. Here this is extracted as lower dir, merge dir, upper dir, work dir. In the lower dir you can see multiple things is there, right? Let me show you that one also. Okay, oops, what is this? Docker inspect Nginx graph. Which kind of mistake I am doing? Okay, so here I added the lower dir, right? Let me show you. This is the lower dir. There are multiple things here. I will explain these things in the upcoming video, don't worry about that. This is my purpose is to show you how image is extracted and used in the container, right? So let me delete it and let me clear the screen. Okay, so we saw in today's video that the image tag and its summary and types of its libc, also which is the best Node.js image tag for you. So right now just understand these things, but for best practices, when we do the docker image build command and when we build the images, in that case we explain which one is the best for production, which is the best for your application, right? and you can explore these things. Also you can connect with me on the social media. I think that's enough. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.